So the question is, can I use ChatGPT's text on my YouTube video without copyright? Well, of course, this is a good question to ask. So I have got a question's answer I'm going to share with you. And the thing is, ChatGPT is going kind of viral over internet, if you can see. And of course, I used it. I really love that, and I already shoot a video, a tutorial. When you're going to watch, a link below description, or you'll be able to get a link at 2 minutes of watching this video. You'll be getting link of the top I button. And the interesting question is that if you are able to search anything on ChatGPT, you're going to create a video or writing a script. Alright, if you would like to introduce about ChatGPT or anything that you would like to make, you are going to type on ChatGPT and you're asking, could you write me a script of describing this product on my YouTube? So of course you're going to get a script, but the question is, do you copy that all kind of text from ChatGPT and put on YouTube channel? That would be a copyright for you or not really? Well, there are 3 things that you have to keep in mind. First of all, of course, it may be subject as a copyright if you are going to use without permission. The second thing is, if you cannot get permission, of course. If you're going to get a permission, how and where do you need to get a permission to upload text, even on YouTube, even on your website or any blog? But where? The problem is that where we need to get permission. Alright, the permission you have to get from OpenAI, that they developed ChatGPT platform. So OpenAI, you can contact them to ask them. Even the story is not going to end here. Actually, if you can see this page on my screen, they are telling you, even if you get permission from OpenAI's OpenAI's like professionals or developer, whatever, or owner of them, even you will have chances of getting like kind of subjects of copyright. But the third thing I would like to give you a suggestion in the end, in the conclusion, is just try to copy. If you are creating a video, okay, subtitle, you had translations, or you had been writing or searching related phrasal verb, idiom, or most common speaking sentences, and ChatGPT giving you 20, 30, 40, and you're going to again write ChatGPT, could you please give me 30, 40 phrasal verbs, and you're going to copy and paste. Instead of doing that, you may have to edit that. If you are going to edit that part, you are manually editing some of, like moving one to there, moving first to second, and you're going to put a little bit editing with their vocabularies, their questions, kind of small word vocabulary you're going to make in synonym. So a small editing may not subject copyright. You will easily do that. This is what I will give you a suggestion. Editation is better. If you edit it, you will be owner of it, mostly, that I would say. So that's my suggestion to you. If you would like to try, if this is your question, so you have got a question's answer. That's all. We discussed 3 things. You are going to completely not able to use that. Of course, you will be able to use that, but you would be having like a subject as a copyright, maybe. But second thing, if you're going to get a permission, you would not have that much like afraidness, or you're not going to feel like fear to upload. But kind of, they already suggested even you could be getting kind of copyright claim. So that's all I think that I discussed. You have to do it by yourself, edit it manually, and then upload it without any being worried. So that's all from our today's video. Thank you so much for getting. I hope you understand what I've been discussing and I've been mentioning to you. Thank you for time, and really thankful. I'm really thankful for your time. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Take care. Good night.